Welcome to Lane Community College's new student online orientation. This video and its interactive exercises will take approximately 20 to 30 minutes to complete. You can pause it at any point. However, if you close it before it is completed, you will need to start from the beginning later. Let's start with academic advising, which is key for achieving your college goals. Advisors can help you plan your classes and provide you with information essential to earning your degree or certificate. We recommend that you meet with your academic advisor at least once per term. Advisors are available to students in person during drop-in hours and via email. If you email your advisor, please include your L number and full name. Next, we'll look at how to find your academic advisor. Detailed advising information is available on our academic advising website, lanecc.edu/advising. On the left-hand menu, click Drop-in Advising Calendar. You can click on any date to view our up-to-date advising hours listed by department and advisor. Next, we'll discuss credits and study time. Each course you take is worth a certain amount of credits. 1 credit equals 1 hour in class per week. If your class is a 3-credit class, you will be expected to be in the classroom 3 hours per week. For each credit, students are expected to spend approximately 2 hours each week outside the classroom studying and doing homework. Some classes, like dance or physical education, entail more classroom hours since they are performance-based, so a 1-credit class may still require 3 hours in class per week. 12 credits or more is full-time status. When determining your credit load, you should consider time spent in ongoing and anticipated responsibilities like taking care of family members and working. Next, we'll look at programs of study. Lane offers programs of study in both career technical and transfer areas. Career technical programs are hands-on training programs such as nursing, graphic design, and culinary. Lane has over 40 career tech areas which lead to either certificates or associate degrees. Our graduates are ready to enter the workforce immediately after graduation. Be aware that a number of career tech programs have application processes and deadlines. Lane can also prepare you to transfer to a university after completing a number of courses. Some students might opt to do a direct transfer, which means they transfer to a university after earning the minimum transfer admissions requirements. Other students might opt to earn a transfer degree from Lane and then transfer for continued study in areas such as psychology, business, biology, and more. Next, we'll go over placement testing. Part of the steps to enroll at Lane is placement testing in reading, writing, and math. Your test scores will determine what courses we recommend you to take in your first term. Some students can bypass testing if they have AP or IB passing scores in those subject areas. Official scores must be submitted to Lane. Some students have completed college courses in their high schools through a program called College Now. If you've taken writing or math as a College Now student, you will continue on to the next writing and math class as needed. Please submit official transcripts or AP/IB test scores to Lane's enrollment services. If you are unhappy with your placement test scores, you are welcome to retest. Please see the placement testing website to schedule your next testing. For those who completed placement tests, to determine what math and writing courses you should take your first term, you'll need your printout of placement test scores for reference. Pause this video as necessary. Let's find your first term advising guide. In the Academic Advising website, click on Advising Library. Here you will find information organized by career communities. If you are undecided about your program of study, you'll click on Undecided and click on the Associate of Arts Oregon Transfer for undeclared students. If you know what area you'd like to pursue, click on the corresponding text. Let's say you're interested in eventually transferring to pursue engineering. Click on Science, Natural Resources, Math, and Engineering. Under Transfer First Term Advising Guides, click on Engineering. After opening your First Term Advising Guide, note the contact information for your advising team, including the advising team email. Look at the areas below to understand the specific writing and math pathways of your program. Different programs require different pathways. You are going to consult your placement testing sheet as well as this First Term Advising Guide and find the highest matching number between the two. Keep in mind that some programs may require a very specific math even if you have tested into a higher level. Your First Term Advising Guide will also recommend additional courses you can take, depending on either or both your writing and math placement scores. If you have any questions about what courses you should take, please contact your academic advisors via email or during drop-in hours. Next, we'll go over how to register for courses in MyLane. If you haven't logged into MyLane yet, please pause this video and do so now. To register for your Lane courses, click on the My Enrollment tab. In the top left box, click Registration. Pause this video here if you need to enter your L number and passphrase. Click Register for Classes and select your term from the drop-down menu. Click Continue. This next step is important. Click on the orange tab labeled Enter CRNs. Next, you're going to create a new tab by clicking on the plus sign or small box, depending on your browser, to the right of the current tab you are viewing. This opens a new tab. In the address bar, type lanecc.edu and press Enter. This is Lane's home page. Find the yellow menu bar towards the bottom of your screen. Click on the last choice, Class Schedule. Look under the term you'd like to register for and click on Credit Class Listings by Subject. For this video, we'll use Spring 2019 as an example, but be sure to select the term appropriate for your registration. If you are interested in online courses only, you can use the Lane Online link in this right-hand menu, which only shows online and hybrid options. Hybrid means partly online, partly face-to-face. To search for classes, you can either scroll and find your course area alphabetically, or you can type the course number you are looking for in the quick class search box. For example, Writing 97. And either press Enter or click Go. This pulls up all offered Writing 97 courses. The 5-digit CRNs or course reference numbers, are listed in the extreme left column. Each CRN is a course offered at a different time during the week. In the Notes column, note the tilde or squiggle. This means that there are low-cost materials, or what we call open educational resources, available for book options. Not all courses offer the option of low-cost materials. Face-to-face course options are always listed first. Towards the bottom are offerings that are online or hybrid, marked with the computer icon. Decide which course best fits your schedule. Note, for some courses like Writing 97, you must also register for a co-requisite, in this case, EL 117. This means you'll need to input 2 CRNs when you register. The CRN for Writing 97 and the CRN for EL 117. Either write those CRNs down or copy and paste to your registration tab. Let's say I want this Tuesday-Thursday course at noon. First, copy the CRN by highlighting it and doing a right-click to press copy. Click on the Registration tab at the top of your screen and right-click in a blank CRN field to paste. I'm going to repeat this back on the credit class schedule with the CRN for EL 117. Going back to the Registration tab to paste my second CRN. Once you have your CRNs listed, click Add to Summary. After your courses are added, you must click the Submit button at the bottom right hand of your screen to register for these courses. If you do not click the Submit button and sign out, you will not be registered for the course. After clicking Submit, you will see your status changed to Registered. If you decide this course won't work with your schedule and need to drop it, click on the drop-down menu and select Drop with Refund. Again, you must click Submit to finalize. The course should disappear from your screen. If you'd like to see a different way of registering, click on your My Lane Portal tab near the top left of your screen. In your My Enrollment tab, click Need Help Using the Registration System. The video at the bottom of this screen introduces an alternate way to register. You're almost done. We encourage you to contact your academic advising team whenever you have questions. All Lane communication will be through your My Lane student email. Please check it regularly. To complete this new student online orientation, you must click on the button at the end of this presentation and enter your My Lane login information. After you clear your hold, your next step is to register for courses. Lane's academic advisors look forward to meeting you in your first term and helping you to achieve your academic goals.